The K9 is an upgraded version of Dahon's classic K3 Plus model. Riding this bike, you'll become the most striking feature in the city. With its nimble frame and 349 wheel set, it offers outstanding performance, allowing you to zip through city streets and alleyways. As a fast and lightweight urban commuter, it delivers an unparalleled new experience of speed and agility. The bike features a lightweight aerospace-grade aluminum frame and front fork, combining durability and lightness. The frame's main beam uses an oval tube, which enhances rigidity and stability. The argon arc welding process ensures both aesthetic appeal and durability with exceptional quality. This bike is perfect for city commuting, daily travel, and recreational exercise. The frame comes with pre-reserved mounting points for baskets, water bottle cages, rear racks, and third wheels, boasting excellent expandability. It can be customized and upgraded according to consumers' preferences. Dahon is a leader in the folding bike market, holding numerous patents over the years and ranking at the forefront of the industry. Most folding bikes around the world manifest the DNA of Dahon's folding bike design, incorporating 5 to 6 of Dahon's patented technologies. This model incorporates multiple elements of Dahon V tech suite, which improves the overall rigidity and speed across all bike types. Over 1,000 mainstream media outlets, including Bloomberg, Forbes, and Reuters, have reported on the groundbreaking technology. DELTECH. This innovative technology excels in safety, durability, and speed. It transforms the single-beam folding bike frame into a stable triangular structure, achieving the effect of a double-beam design. This reduces the load on the folding mechanism, increases load capacity, and significantly extends frame lifespan. Frame rigidity improves by 15%, effectively converting pedaling force into propulsion. The reinforcement system doesn't interfere with folding and integrates brake and gear cables for a clean and streamlined appearance. Super Down-tube. It uses a larger, reinforced, flattened tube design to increase structural coupling and boost stiffness in both directions by over 10%. Paired with DELTECH, it delivers more efficient pedaling, safer single-beam folding bikes, stronger climbing, and surprisingly higher speed. BA Hinge. The 4-link structure ensures secure and reliable locking. The folding and unfolding process is simple, efficient, and quick. The hinge is made of forged aluminum, combining safety and aesthetics. Second-generation internal V handlepost. Made from forged aluminum with no welds, this column offers exceptional strength and durability. The square taper design increases rigidity, while the internal V-lock simplifies the structure and reduces weight. A newly designed safety hook automatically locks into place for easy and secure operation. The widened and hollowed clamp ensures a tighter and more stable lock, significantly improving rigidity and riding safety. Adjustable handlebar and saddle. The handlebar angle and height can be adjusted for a personalized riding posture. The extended aluminum seat post allows for a wide range of adjustments to fit riders of different heights. 9-speed Dahon system with clear, smooth, and precise shifting. Equipped with a 55T lightweight integrated chainring, paired with an 11 to 28T rear freewheel, providing a quick start and strong pedaling power for a smooth ride. Custom Dahon wheels for smooth lubrication and high-pressure tire compatibility, ensuring a stable and comfortable ride, even during rapid braking. Front and rear disc brakes offer excellent braking performance on both flat roads and downhill. The front disc brake is positioned on the right side of the wheel set, reducing the folding volume and saving space when stored. Folded dimensions. Dahon holds over 40 years of international folding bike development and innovation. Founder Dr. David Hahn is widely recognized as the father of the modern folding bicycle. Dahon is recognized by Guinness World Records as the world's largest folding bicycle manufacturer and distributor. Choosing Dahon means choosing reliability and quality. Built upon Dahon's proven folding systems, further details speak for themselves. Choose Dahon's for a lighter, faster, and more enjoyable riding lifestyle.